In this demo, I'll walk through setting up See It On You from install to your first customer try-on. After you install the app and approve access, you'll land on the See It On You dashboard inside Shopify Admin. The homepage shows your setup checklist, credit usage, and a quick view of try-on activity. The checklist tracks product sync, enabled products, theme block installation, and your first test try-on. We'll complete each step in order. First, open Products. Your Shopify catalog syncs automatically. Toggle enabled on the products where you want virtual try-on. Category tells the AI which part of the outfit to replace. Top for shirts and jackets, bottom for pants and skirts, full body for dresses. Garment photo type should match your product image. Flat lay for ghost or flat shots. Model when the garment is worn in the photo. Pick the try-on image that best represents the garment. Next, add the try-on button to your storefront. From the dashboard, click Add Try-On Block to Theme. This opens the Shopify theme editor on your product page. Add the See It On You Try-On block where shoppers will see it. In the block settings, customize the button text and colors to match your brand. Save the theme when you're done. Under Settings, you control the customer-facing try-on experience. Set your modal title, consent message, and how long customer images are kept. By default, 3 days. You can add a disclaimer and optional watermark on generated previews. Advanced AI settings are optional. Most stores can leave the defaults. Billing shows your plan and monthly try-on credits. Each successful try-on uses 1 credit. Now let's see what your customers experience. On an enabled product page, shoppers see the See It On You button. The try-on opens in a modal on your store. Customers never leave your site. They read the consent message, then upload a photo. The AI generates a preview of the customer wearing your product. They can retry, delete their image, or add the item to cart. Try-on is variant aware. If the shopper changes size or color, Add to Cart uses the selected variant. Back in Admin, your setup checklist should be complete. Analytics tracks try-on sessions and your top tried products. That's See It On You. Enable products, add the theme block, customize settings, and your customers can try on before they buy. Thanks for watching.